It's Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. It's 9:01 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. Watching this top gainer, HOTH, up 145%. It does have some positive news. They had a phase 2 trial on their cancer treatment with positive results, creating this movement. High of day is 224 a couple candles ago right here. Currently up about 155%. I'll keep an eye on things and I'll return. I have an order in and I am in on HOTH with 100 shares at $2.14. Profit and loss is showing down here. I want to see if this upward movement can continue on the positive news that it has. And I am out. Another struggle. Let's go see how we did. Okay, $16 even. That's a 5.3% gain on that trade. I was in this for 6 minutes, in at 214, out at 230 with 100 shares. And doing a quick recap, I was in on this candle. I got out over here on this candle. And it did pull back on me. However, it remained the top gainer. There was plenty of volume, over 2 million shares being traded on each one of these 1 minute candles. So a lot of eyes on it. I just kind of knew it was going to come back. It looked like just some profit takers coming in. I felt it was going to come back. It was just a matter of time. And again, since I was out here, you can see it boomed up quite a bit. But as a scalp trader, I'm never trying to get this entire move. I'm just trying to get a piece in here. So I'm happy with the trade. Thanks a lot for watching and hanging out, and I'll see you in the next trade.